Hello my dear friends, Michael is with you on the channel. Today I'm going to show you smartphone S60 from Lenovo. Well proven on the smartphone marketplace, Lenovo company firstly shown an average class smartphone S60 in March of 2015 year. Manufacturer tried to make a design of smartphone S60 similar to everyone well-known smartphone iPhone 6 from Apple. Appearance of smartphone S60 very similar to iPhone 6. There exists four basic colors of smartphone S60: graphite-grey, pearl white, laser yellow and pink. Last one intended special for China marketplace and not exported. Besides, smartphone S60 is very compact and thin with only 7.7mm and looks very stylish. Smartphone supports high bandwidth of data transfer network 4G LTE. You can fully estimate of speed and enjoy by viewing websites, stream videos, games and communication in popular social networks. Smartphone supports two SIM cards which works together at the same time. While one of it is under works, second one goes into standby mode. Integrated 8 GB of smartphone memory can be adjusted up to 32 GB due to integrated supports of microSD cards. Smartphone has 5-inch IPS Retina display with HD resolution 1280 by 720 which provide quality display in all interface elements, watching movies in HD quality or network surf. Smartphone allows to get high quality pictures with integrated front selfie cam with 5 megapixels resolution and back cam with 13 megapixel resolution. Now, let's unpacking smartphone S60 from Lenovo. Smartphone and the rest of content packed in the red white box, which is easy to open. Supply contains smartphone S60 itself, which will be fully reviewed further. Under smartphone placed clip, which allows to open slots of microSD card and SIM cards. Envelope contains warranty card from Lenovo, pack also contains a wire vacuum headset from Lenovo white color, with frequency range from 12 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Length of wired headset is 1.2 meters. Our resistance is 32 ohm. Headset plug-in into smartphone S60 directly by 3.5mm mini jack. Supplied wired headset from Lenovo is very comfy and lightweight and transmits sounds with highest quality. In the same place is USB cable with USB microSD father interfaces, which allows to plug smartphone S60 to adapter or to the computer. A running supplied adapter made from white color high quality plastic with input voltage 5V 1A. Adapter has removable copper for switching between different power socket types. Slight indentation for plugging it comfy placed on upper side of the device. USB socket to connect to the smartphone S60 by using supplied USB cable placed on the middle of a back side. Now, let's do detailed considered review of the smartphone S60 itself from Lenovo. Smartphone S60 has 4-core processor, specific for average models of smartphone, from Qualcomm Snapdragon MSM 8916 with 1.0 GHz of frequency and with 64-bit architecture. Processors Snapdragon MSM 8916 was first shown by Qualcomm company at December of 2013 years, and it was the 64-bit mobile processor. MSM 8916 itself consists of 4 processor cores, Cortex-A53 and graphic accelerator Adreno 306, memory controller LPDDR2-3 with 64-bit bus and Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4.0 UMTS LTE model, integrated graphic accelerator Adreno 306 from Qualcomm company, designed by using 28nm technology and has frequency 450 MHz. Adreno 306 has 6 unified conveyors and supports DirectX 9.3, OpenCL 1.1e and RenderScript. Graphic accelerator Adreno 306 into smartphone S60 is it cope with 2014 and 2015 years games with 540p, 720p and even 1080p resolutions, and has low power consumption, that is, positive effects for standalone operation of the device. On the backside, comfy places 30MP cam with autofocus and nearby placed LED light, which can be a powerful light using special software. Solid smartphone S60 body made from high quality plastic, pearl white color with glossy surface. You can't replace battery by yourself, for that it is necessary to go to the service center. Smartphone S60 has lithium polymer battery with 2150 mAh. For using smartphone from morning till night, you need to frugally save battery power. On a practice, battery during active use of smartphone totally works only 2 hours. Due to integrated into smartphone S60 30MP sensor from OmniVision company, QCell OV13860, it is possible to shoot static images with 30 fps frequency, to record video ultra high quality 4K 2K with 30 fps frequency, to shoot usual Full HD video with 60 fps and video 720p with 120 fps. Software correcting and stabilizing videos and images by EIS realize while saving. Pictures come bright and colorful using software. It is possible to add different effects. In upper body side of smartphone S60 places 3.5mm mini jack to connect headphones, headsets, and near places a microphone hole. In lower side of smartphone S60 places microSD slot to connect to the smartphone adapter or computer. On the side also places symmetrical holes for dynamics. Smartphone S60 has only one dynamic placed from the left side. From the right side places sockets for standard dimension SIM cards and micro SIM cards. Above of them places a slot to connect microSD card with 32 gigs volume supports only. From the left side of the smartphone S60 are buttons for control volume level and turn on turn off buttons. On the front of the device are integrated illumination and approach detectors. Nearby places speech dynamics and 5MP selfie cam without autofocus, which has integrated functions of gestures control, which can be used for device control. Smartphone S60 has a powerful 5-inch Retina display with IPS matrix, providing wide range of view up to 180 degrees. The display supports 5-point multi-touch with precise of sensor accuracy and HD resolution 1280 by 720, which is 294 ppi, allows to enjoy bright and colorful images as through network surf, as watch live stream videos and play games with Full HD quality. Lower the screen there are integrated smartphone's control buttons. Smartphone S60 has 2 GB of RAM and supports high bandwidth networks connection, 4G LTE with speed up to 150 megabits per second of data transfer and 50 megabits per second of data received, and also supports Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, Bluetooth 4.0, Edge, GPRS, HSPA+ technologies. Smartphone S60 has integrated GPS supports by RGPS and GLONASS models. It also has a receiver, and standard software collection comes with basic configuration. Except approach and illumination sensor integrated into smartphone S60, it also has gravity and accelerometer sensors. Smartphone dimensions is 72 by 7.7 by 143.3mm, and weight of the device is only 128 grams. That makes it comfy and compact. Also, welcome on our website techida.com, where you can download for free working themes for websites made by using Bootstrap 3 engine. Links you will find when you click at the top of the screen at the prompt. This concludes our review of smartphone S60 from Lenovo company. Thank you for your attention. Michael was with you today. Don't miss new review of novelties of computer technology and use them in your own practice. Like the video, leave your comments under the video and subscribe. See ya!